Water Pollutants and Human Health by Ben Disbrow, April 27th, 2014. There's many causes of pollution throughout the world. Livestock waste, pesticides, household sewage, and factory waste are just a couple to name a few. Over 50% of pollution is human originated, as an extreme problem because we are causing problems to both ourselves and the environment around the world. The reason this is such a problem for ourselves is because we are made up of 72% water. Without a sufficient source of water or a sufficient source of clean water, this can be an extreme problem to both our body as a whole and the organs that control us. These are a couple of pictures of chemical waste and unregulated dumping, which is an extreme cause of pollution throughout the world. The picture on the left is a view of the Ganges River in India, of which 1 million people bathe every single day because it is considered a religious river. The reason it's so polluted is because of all the human waste and unregulated dumping of garbage, and also cremated remains of humans because it's considered a religious river. On the right, there is a nuclear waste barrel dumped off the coast of Russia during the Cold War. It was unregulatedly dumped and is causing extreme problems to the environment around it. The main cause of pollution within our water system is actually human and animal waste. The reason it's such a problem is because it's so easily spread through our water systems and is one of the most common forms of waste throughout the world. The reason it's such a problem is E. coli, as seen in the picture to the top right. It is an intestinal disease. It's actually born within us but can cause extreme problems and health problems to people throughout the world if it's ingested. Effects on the human body. Insufficient sources of water and insufficient sources of clean water on the body can cause extreme problems. Waterborne diseases such as E. coli, cholera, and hepatitis A, just to name a few, are extreme problems throughout the world. E. coli causes extreme intestinal problems. Hepatitis A is an STD. And cholera causes extreme bowel movements. Also, if some of these diseases, if untreated, can lead to more extreme factors such as blindness or even death. There's extreme disparity throughout the world. As seen here, third world countries all over Africa and parts of South Asia are extreme disparity in water, and they need a sufficient source of clean water. First world countries need to learn that there is such a disparity and share the wealth with third world countries, because 1 in 6 people throughout the world do not have access to sufficient source of water, and over 40 million people every year die of water-related diseases. In order to help this cause, we need to reduce waste by using less, reuse containers and products, recycle old products to make new ones, reduce, reuse, and recycle. We need to start creating and maintaining a safe and green environment so that we can enjoy the same resources and beauty that we will have for generations.